students, how are you all? I welcome you all to today's session of our class. So before starting it, I want to ask you one thing. What was our previous class? What was it? See what I am going to do. Now you understood what was the previous class. Yes, it was prayer. The prayer. And what did it taught us? It taught us how to pray, why to pray, and to teach how to pray. So children, this was our previous class. Now today I am going to take a new lesson. So before going to the lesson, let us watch a video. You watched the video, no? So what was it about? It was about the sports personalities, isn't it? So before going to that lesson, now I want to give you a surprise. Let's watch a surprising video. So children, by this you might have come to know which game it was. So this is the bat and this is the racket. So this is the game of badminton. Children, today's lesson is focusing on two badminton stars. So let us watch who are the two superstars.
Smashes down the line. Playing style that her coach
lenses, snapping away at them.
Extraordinary. He was playing towards the side where against Saina. I guess Indian players coming up, going for the kill.
Which was threatening.
Then she's not going to win this game.
Well, she's taken her foot off the gas now.
Really, Indian badminton, because of these two ladies, and I think now there is a crowd. From the manner in which she rallied towards the latter half of the first game, Australia is greater on Saina because she's more.
By 7 points to 4, and she took the first game advantage very much with the Hyderabad Hotshots. Saina Nehwal takes the first game.
21.
But my goodness, it was for Saina Nehwal. She takes the first game by 21 points to 19. Nehwal beats Sindhu 21-19, 21-8. Nehwal beats Sindhu 21-19, 21-8.
The stadium here, but across the country are having great. Her mental strength. Sindhu looking a little rattled there.
But if you've just joined us, these are the top two women's players in India.
That's a terrific cross-batsman.
Victory just might belong to Saina Nehwal here. A very healthy lead, 17-7.
She's making Sindhu look like a pretender to the throne. Very nuanced game here. Remember, the build-up to this has been very strong, this contest. Sindhu, is grimly focused. Slow to start with, but now
Queen has done it, and the Princess will have to wait a bit longer. 21-19, 21-8. Victory for Saina Nehwal, and Hyderabad Hotshots take a 2-love lead against Award Warriors. Saina Nehwal waves to the crowd affair, ended in this rally.
Exemplifying the manner in which she is.
So you saw the video, no? Who are they? They are PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. So they are the attraction of this lesson. They are the superstars. They are the Chamakte Sitare of our lesson. So we move on to our lesson. Before that, you have to open your book in front of you, and as I am reading, you have to read it. Okay? So move on to our lesson. So Chamakte Sitare. पाठ प्रवेश, इंट्रोडक्शन। खेल एक ऐसी क्रिया है जो मन शरीर दोनों में स्फूर्ति, शक्ति और साहस भर देती है। खेल को खेलने वाला खिलाड़ी कहलाता है। कुछ खेल इंडोर गेम्स होते हैं, अर्थात अंदरूनी जगहों पर खेले जाते हैं, जैसे कैरम, शतरंज आदि। कुछ आउटडोर गेम्स होते हैं, अर्थात बाहरी जगहों या मैदानों में खेले जाते हैं, जैसे हॉकी, क्रिकेट आदि। बैडमिंटन बाहर और अंदर दोनों जगहों पर खेला जाता है। इस पाठ में बैडमिंटन के चमकते हुए दो भारतीय खिलाड़ी का वर्णन है। So as I told you that this is a small introduction here in the textbook, but I had already given you the introduction that we are talking about two shining stars of India. And why do we play? We play to get strength and energy. And there are two kinds of games, indoor games and outdoor games. So indoor games are chess, caroms and badminton we sometimes play. Then in playground, what games are we playing? We are playing hockey, cricket, etc. So I will read the paragraph. You read along with me, okay? भारतीय खिलाड़ियों की निष्ठा और खेल के प्रति सच्चे रुझान के बारे में आप सब जानते ही हैं। भारत में पुरुष वर्ग ही नहीं बल्कि महिलाओं ने भी खेल की दुनिया में बहुत नाम कमाया है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रसिद्धि प्राप्त की है। ऐसे ही भारत की दो बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ियों ने देश का नाम रोशन किया और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रसिद्धि प्राप्त की। इनके नाम है साइना नेहवाल और पीवी सिंधु। Now I am going to explain these lines. I'll explain line by line. Okay, so look carefully. भारतीय खिलाड़ियों की निष्ठा और खेल के प्रति सच्चे रुझान के बारे में आप सब जानते ही हैं। आप सब जानते ही हैं means you all might have knowing what भारतीय खिलाड़ियों की निष्ठा और खेल के प्रति सच्चे रुझान, the interest and the talent of Indian players। भारत में पुरुष वर्ग ही नहीं बल्कि महिलाओं ने भी खेल की दुनिया में बहुत नाम कमाया है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रसिद्धि प्राप्त की है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रसिद्धि मीन्स इंटरनेशनल गेम्स दे हैव बिकम, प्रसिद्धि मीन्स फेमस। सो भारत में पुरुष वर्ग ही नहीं बल्कि महिलाओं ने भी, not only the Indian women not only the Indian men, but also महिलाओं ने भी, women also, not only the Indian men, but women also have shown their talents कि दुनिया में बहुत नाम कमाया है, shown their talents and they have become famous in international level. ऐसे ही भारत की 2 बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ियों ने देश का नाम रोशन किया है. The same way Indian 2 badminton stars have become famous by showing their talent and their becoming the champions. So who are they? इनका नाम है, they are Saina Nehwal और PV Sindhu. They are Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu. Now we move on to Saina Nehwal. I will read this. साइना नेहवाल का जन्म हरियाणा राज्य के हिसार नामक स्थान में 17 मार्च 1990 को हुआ था. उनके पिता का नाम डॉक्टर हरवीर सिंह तथा माता का नाम उषा नेहवाल है. उनको बैडमिंटन खेल के प्रति रुचि अपने माता पिता से विरासत के रूप में प्राप्त हुई. उनके पिता ने ही साइना नेहवाल को बैडमिंटन खेल के लिए प्रोत्साहन दिया. उस बालिका ने 8 साल की उम्र में ही पिता के सुझाव से बैडमिंटन का खेल एक सुलझे हुए इंसान नैनी प्रसाद के शिक्षण निर्देशन में शुरू किया. उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना प्रशिक्षण श्री S.M. आरिफ, जो द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार के विजेता थे, के निर्देशन में पूर्ण किया. So here I'll explain now. साइना नेहवाल का जन्म हरियाणा राज्य के हिसार नामक स्थान में 17 मार्च 1990 को हुआ था. So when was Saina born and where was Saina born? Saina was born in Haryana, a place called Hisar. The place name was Hisar and it is in Haryana. And the date when she was born on 17th March 1990. Then who was her father? Her father was Harveer Singh and mother Usha Nehwal. So उनके पिता का नाम डॉक्टर हरवीर सिंह तथा माता का नाम उषा नेहवाल है. So her father was Harveer Singh and mata was Usha Nehwal. Then उनको बैडमिंटन खेल के प्रति रुचि अपने माता पिता से विरासत के रूप में प्राप्त हुआ. How did she got the interest to play badminton? We all have our interest and we develop our interest in many ways. So who inspired her? Who motivated her to play the badminton? So her father. See, उनके पिता ने ही साइना नेहवाल को बैडमिंटन खेल के लिए प्रोत्साहन दिया. So who motivated her or who inspired her? Her father. Who is her father? Harveer Singh. So Harveer Singh only inspired her or motivated her or encouraged her to play badminton. Then when she started playing the badminton, उस बालिका ने 8 साल की उम्र में, when she started 8 साल की उम्र में, 8 years, when she was 8 years of age, she started playing. पिता के सुझाव से बैडमिंटन का खेल एक सुलझे हुए इंसान नैनी प्रसाद के शिक्षण निर्देशन में शुरू किया. So her father inspired her only told her to train under one good man. Suljaiva Insan means a noble man, a good man. Who was he? He was Neni Prasad. So under his training, she started her training. He was the coach in the beginning stage at the age of 8. This Neni Prasad was the trainer. So, उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना प्रशिक्षण श्री S.M. आरिफ जो द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार के विजेता थे के निर्देशन में पूर्ण किया. So next, after getting training from Neni Prasad, whom did she go? She went to S.M. Arif. And who was this S.M. Arif? He was the Dronacharya Award winner. So next, after getting the small training from Neni Prasad, she went to S.M. Arif, our Dronacharya Award winner. Okay, so till today we will learn this much only, this one paragraph. You have to read 5 times and find out the difficult words in this, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.